Hey everybody, it's Greg McDaniel and welcome to our script of the day. All right guys, in this script what we're going to talk about is how do you connect with your sphere of influence. And your sphere is all those people that love you, know you, trust you, and like you. They maybe have done business with you or whatever. So your sphere of influence is very important. A lot of us do not, we don't mine it very well. We don't go in and touch base and follow up and reconnect with them very well. So the question has been posed to us several times, and I think it's a fantastic question, by the way. It's, what is the script for reconnecting? How do I not come off like I'm just trying to sell them something? It's very simple, guys. This is the script. Hey, Matt. Yeah, Greg McDaniel. How are you, man? Yeah, dude, it's been a long time. How's life? You guys ever do that remodel on that house, by the way? You guys did? That's awesome. How are you liking it? I bet it's awesome. No kidding? Hey, I got a quick question for you. What are you doing for lunch? Nothing? Hey, let's go grab a bite, man. I haven't seen you for a while. Catch up, see how life is. Tell me about Becky and the kids. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll meet you down in about 20 minutes. Okay, bye. That's the lunch script, okay? It's you're not selling. It's very light. You're just touching base. You just want to say hello. And that's the gist of the follow-up or the touching base or reconnecting script, whatever you want to call it. It's because these people, they already know and like you. So just get together with them. Coffee, a beer, lunch, snacks, hors d'oeuvres, a glass of wine, whatever it is. Just get together with them. Or a really easy way to do it, call and invite them to a party you're throwing. Hey, Matt, how are you? I know it's been a little while, man. That's what you actually popped in my mind the other day. We're having a shindig over at my place. Love to see if you and Becky and the kids could come. Yeah, we're gonna do a little Mexican fiesta. Yeah, no, it's just from 3 to 6. Pop in, pop out, whatever works. Okay, cool, buddy. No, you don't have to bring anything. We got everything covered. Just bring yourselves and we'll have a good time. Great, yeah, great talking. Look forward to seeing you. Okie doke. All right, bye. So there's 2 scripts, guys. It can be a party, it can be a get-together, it can be anything. It can be, or just go to lunch or a beer or everything else that we just talked about. So I know that's going to help you guys. So put it to use and hit us back. Let me know how it works out for you. Talk to you soon.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our script of the day. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. That's how YouTube really knows that you like this type of content. And then if you're not already aware, if you haven't watched us on our real estate podcast, Real Estate Uncensored, it's all about how to combine high-tech and high-touch methods to build a life of freedom through real estate. So you can look us up on iTunes or Stitcher and subscribe to Real Estate Uncensored. Look forward to the next one, guys.